Sorry guys. It's the good point of a sticker. It's just fucking sticker. This is gonna be so good. Fuck.
I don't know why it's not Foxy. No. Again. Fuck. You're supposed to do it sexy.
Yeah, lads. We're back here. Morning. Sorry guys. I saw it. Sorry guys. Pardon? No, it's I think you yeah. It's too big, bro.
You could have decided this other night.
I could have done, but it looked good in that lighting, and then I thought, right, it's alright, okay, it's the true. I like the true. That's cool. That can stay, right? It's the font. It's that rally font. It is.
What font are you thinking?
It's called Jade Maria, which is quite weird because I know a girl called Jade Maria. But it's called Jade Maria, and it's small and italic, which means put it all chrome.
Okay.
It looks too much like a chocolate bar.
The only one worry we've got.
Oh, go on then.
It's been in the chrome. You know the indent in the door.
Yeah.
It don't do well with heat, does it, chrome? So we may be able to just feed it in.
Yeah.
But I think we need to do a tester.
Right. Okay. It's really thin, this font though.
Is it?
It's really thin. It's really, yeah, like it, and it's gonna be, I'd say from like here to here, and it's really thin. Honestly, it's really thin font. So, cause it's like even the R's, and it's like, yeah, it's like little. Sorry, I don't think it'll be like trying to evenly put that Y in. It won't be like that at all. I think it'll be dead easy, to be fair.
We'll see. We'll see what.
Try it, yeah, try it. And I think this is going to come off dead easy. Because I was at the petrol station last night and I tried picking up the wine, it come off like...
I think it will come off easy.
Yeah. It's just the only thing I can think of is, if we're pulling off the A's, don't put it this way. Because obviously
we'll
it's...
pull it round.
yeah.
I think, to be fair, if we want to hook it round the door from anyway, so you know how we've tucked it round, we want to hook it and then peel it that way. I think that's probably best. But yeah, we'll get it off.
Cheers, mate. Sorry for being a dickhead, guys, but you know.
It's got to be right, though, isn't it?
It has. No, it does. It does. It does have to be right. It does have to be right.
What are you going to do about the smaller stickers then? Are you leaving them the same, or?
Don't know yet. We'll see how quick.
If I was you, personally, I'd switch them.
Switch them. That's what you were saying.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Just, if somebody visualises and sees
that, yeah.
you're going to think,
It's like a brand, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like Nike and two different images,
Exactly,
isn't it? Yeah. And I want to show you something as well, which maybe we could add in, because I know a guy with a Sylvia who's got it. It looks sick.
Right. Okay.
It's a little bit like our splatters, do you know, but a little bit different. I'll show you now. Oh, look at that, bro.
So easy.
Yeah, I was going to say, because it is quite a strong vinyl, because I've took many Reggies off with like, I mean like this one.
Oh, right, yeah.
Because I've took many like, like number plate stickings off that front and it's never done it. It pulled it off the back, but that's just because there's not much to stick to.
One great thing about these though, it is just all temporary. So like you can remove it off just as, well, it's actually easy to take it off than it is.
Yeah. Right, cool, let's get it all off. There she is, it come off a delight, an absolute delight. Now, we're gonna do, I've chose a font called Jade Maria. Jade Maria, if you're watching this, it's not because I know you or anything. It's just a pretty sick font, to be honest. And then Nicole Clean Style, I've seen his Sylvia, and he's got some mad shit coming off the wings and stuff. So I'm probably gonna try and copy him as well. So that'd be sick. But I'm probably gonna get shit for that. But I end up copying all the people like I end up copying. I ended up copying Max's Lamborghini to get this colour. Yeah, I'll admit it, I copied him. I'm gonna copy Nico Clean Style for his livery design. Yeah, whatever. If you're true to yourself, no one can phase you, eh? My guy. So this is the font called, so it's not Jade Maria, it's Jade and Maria. That's the Jade and Maria font. I think it looks so much better like that. I love like squiggly writing on cars. True Rally, and it fits in nicely as well. I think that's the winner so far. And then if we can add some like Nico Clean Styles.
What's the technical term?
That's the technical term, yeah.
So we can round these off or make them like straight edges or anything really.
Just found a font called Best Rock, and we're thinking that one fits in the nicest. It's pretty much bang on similar to Jade and Maria, isn't it? Just a little bit wider, and the L's aren't as prehistoric. So that's Jade and Maria.
Yeah, it's a good
Yeah,
combination.
it fits in nicely, that one.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah. If you're happy, we'll go with that.
I think that's the best one, yeah. Damn, baby! Woo! Look at that car. Look at that. I kind of like the wheels black. I might have to get them painted black. But then, I don't know. We'll see.
I'm obviously doing the silver bits around everything.
Yeah.
Why don't you carry the Y on so it flows through?
Yes.
Make it
Yes, that looks sick.
carry that.
Maybe like follow the Y through, and then like have different branches. Oh no, I don't know. I might
No, you could actually do that.
got different branches coming off it.
As long as you get a sticker that will sit there and make
You could
it
like,
look like it.
yeah. So it comes round, and then maybe have like ones coming off it like that, like tattoos.
You can pretty much change it like whatever direction you want.
Yeah. So have it come into like the front of the door, halfway that Y,
You can even
and then.
have it so it's back on itself.
Yeah, I was gonna say, so have it like come in here, getting thinner, and then have it like like just starting to end a loop, then have like another loop, and then like have like nice little floral design coming off the end of it.
Yeah, you can do quite a lot of bits with
Oh yes, that was sick.
it. You could actually make that so it actually bends more on this bit here.
Oh yeah, so take the flowers off
Yeah,
and
so
stuff.
you could take all
Yeah,
that
because that
stuff
could
off.
bend off the white, couldn't it?
Yeah, you could take that off and then bend it around.
Round.
The arch itself.
And then if we just get a few more like this, or like little bits that we want, like those little bits there and stuff. So we're trying to create like some sort of a design to kind of flake off, because it's a little bit, we have to go short font because it's so long or wide. So we want to create like a nice little design. So we're thinking of like using some like floral tear things. Just make like a nice little design coming off the rally. Yeah, that looks way cleaner.
I think I might cut it out so you can see it just rough, because you can have
Yeah. Yeah, angle it a bit more, yeah. Yeah, I think that if we can go the natural way it was. Yeah, I think we'd be, yeah, cut it out a bit more, but I think you would get away with there, because that's only just tucking underneath there.
Yeah. It'll fold in there slightly anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, it's way nicer. Yeah, miles better. Miles better, yeah. And it's crow, yeah, so much better. Right, this is what we're going for. And then we're going to do some mad design coming up over to there. But when we get the rally down, we can send it from there. Right, let's get it on. Right, so that is the base of the new design. Miles better, miles cleaner. We are going to continue the Y and do some mad floral shit and like silver oil slick as well to make it look extra hot boy. But for now, it's looking a lot better hot boy. Right, we're getting a little bit better. So we've got the Y kicking up. This is where we're going to go, like it's like a bit of explosion. We're going to do all the oil slick over the wing. Yes. Right, here we go. So we started putting the oil slick on. Whoa, hot boy. That's sick. Here we are. We've got one more that we're just going to make now, just to fill in this little gap here. And then we're going to do the other side. Look how pretty it looks. Right, I'm just finishing some bits off on the doors and stuff. But woohoo, hot boy. Love it. So pretty. Wait. Yeah, you've done a good job, lads. It looks sick. It really does. Really, I love it.
Again,
Beautiful, so pretty.
it's a sticker though, isn't it? So it can be removed,
So sticker can be removed.
taken off within
Yeah.
2 seconds.
It's the good point of a sticker. It's just fucking sticker.
No, it's easy just to switch it like, you
Yeah, it
play
is.
around with different fonts, you find out what sits well, and that would took a bit of time to design.
As you say, like the car's there and everything you need's there. So you just fucking, you make an idea, that makes it happen. Boom.
If you don't like it, peel it off.
Yeah.
Put something else there.
No, it's sick.
Yeah, it does look good.
I'm gonna be fucking blinding some bitches on the motorway lights. As soon as that reflection comes.
It does look really good.
You wait till the purple underglow's on it, mate.
But
And you think I'm joking?
are you actually going for it?
Fuck, I'm joking. Yeah, fuck yeah.
Do it.
Look at it there like that. I've had an underglow kit sat in my house for about a year and I've wanted to do it, but it's not time.
Do you know what's funny? Somebody's actually messaged us as well to fit an undergo, but it's on a studio.
Oh really?
Yeah, so somebody
Did I
actually
have
wants
one?
it.
But I think it's sick. I had one on my Fiesta. I loved it.
Yeah, you did, yeah.
I loved it.
I'll do it.
But that was when I didn't realise how strong Tiger Seal was.
yeah.
So I put like a biggest blob ever of Tiger Seal, and it was like I had it on my hands for like 3 months. Because they give you gloves in the pack, don't they? I thought, well, I don't fucking
Don't need that, don't need it.
I was there in sync like a metal scourer. I was googling remedies, how to remove shit.
3 weeks straight
I was
down
there
to
putting
milk.
sugar in fairy liquid. Honestly, man, I had a buttering job that night. I thought, oh my fucking god, taking 6 layers of my skin off.
Can't take that.
Oh, I'm very happy. I'm very, very, very happy.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Positive.
I know I said I was happy last time, but no, I'm very happy. This is sick.
We took the time to do a different design.
Yeah, we did.
It looks.
Many heads went together.
It does look so much better than what it did before.
Looks beautiful. It's gorgeous. Like I'd look at that. I think, oof, that's nice. That's tasteful.
And the fact it flows on the other side. It just.
Not even showing the boys the other side.
Carrying on the theme, man.
Yeah.
The wheels.
Oh, it's so cool, man. It's so cool.
No worries.
I was coming back around, you bastard.
Yes.
I'm not sure. Never mind, we'll come back.
Oh, hang on, I've got tape on my finger.
It's trying to shake hands.
Trying to shake your hand.
Don't want that. Don't shake your hand.
Don't take sense, do mate.
You welcomed me putting that wiring through, mate. No worries. You welcome it. Look at it in the light, man. It's not really coming across on camera just because there's too much shit going on over there, but sick.
In the light. In the sun, that is going to look insane.
Yes. What up, G's? I'm sat here in the Evo waiting for this ting to warm up, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to bring the camera and I'm going to continue like a behind the scenes sort of thing. We're doing a photo shoot with Liam for a couple of things, really. One, we're going to get some photos for the True Rally Instagram. We've got a good friend called Amy. She's going to help and give something pretty to look at in the photos. And we're also going to do something with the watch. I've actually been contacted with a watch company, so you'll be hearing that in the next video. But yeah, so we're going to go and grab Amy, and we're going to take you behind the scenes of some of Liam's photos, because Liam's photos, I've got a poll in my mouth. I don't know why I opened my video with a poll in my mouth, but they shell out, boys. Get free sweets every time you get some fuel. I've got free wine gums, and I got some free polos. Doing the bits, boys. Got a new watch with a new watch company, which is beautiful, so I'm going to be doing something funny with that. Jane, fucking she got to go. Tell her don't waste my time. Something along the lines of that. But yeah, I'm waiting here, because Evo life. Neighbours are probably fuming, but fuck them. They ain't 100. Now I've told Liam that the car's clean, but it's not. But fuck him, I don't take no prisoners, boys. Fuck that bitch, he ain't 100. Well, he is, 'cause he's a cool guy, but fuck that bitch, he ain't 100. I'll have the keys out.
For fuck's sake.
What? Put me up. Fucked up. Do it again. Is that better though?
Bro, that is banging.
Is it?
I'm sorry, I'm not an actor.
Go.
I don't know how to get out of this.
alright.
Can this be like a...
You're not supposed to talk. She's like, I don't know how you get out of this. That was a good one, you dickhead.
Oh, this is gonna be so good. I reckon you actually like see my face
Like the
here.
yeah.
Right.
No, you're going out of focus.
Fuck.
Well, I don't know why it's not focusing.
Oh. Right, get it.
You're supposed to stop.
Oh, so.
Right. Why is it not focusing? Right. Right. No. Again.
Fuck.
Right, see, it's focused there. Right, I'm gonna come to you. Like, you walk towards me slowly. Look,
I
see?
think that's okay. Oh, but do a bit slower.
Slower?
Yeah. Ready?
Right, go on.
Good?
Yeah.
I don't know. Hang on.
You're supposed to do it sexy.